Okay, so the promotional pricing is the sales strategy in which brands temporarily reduce the price of the product or services to attract the prospect and customers. So by lowering the price for the short term and brand artificially increase the value of the product or service by the creating a sense of scarcity. So what is the mean by the price? Price is the what customers are willing to pay for the services. How much a customer has to pay depend on the value perceived he expected and where the provided service offer. The payment can be in the many forms like money or return services. So price can be the price. The price can be simply the price is equal to the quantity of money received by the service provider, the quantity of money received by service provider, the quantity of service received by the buyer, so is equal to price. So price is the promotional activities and price of in service area. The price is the component of value. So price is the component of value. So price is the component of value. So the pricing is the customer perception of the value of a product, value of a services. So the consumer make the straight cut analogy. So high price is equal to high quality. So high price is equal to high quality. సో కస్టమర్ ఇగ్నోరెన్స్ కావచ్చు. సో వాట్ ఎవర్ మేబీ. సో ప్రైస్ ఎక్కువగా ఉంటే మనం ఏమనుకుంటున్నాం, సో క్వాలిటీ ఉందని ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాం. హై ప్రైస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు హై క్వాలిటీ. సో price become very communicative and give the convincing the indication of the quality of the product, quality of the services. So people have no other way of the convincing themselves of the quality of the restaurant, quality of the product, quality of the hospitals, quality of the restaurant, quality of the hospital, except by the price. So which make the minimum larger better area. So value is the ratio. Value is the ratio of the perceived benefits of the services. So perceived benefits of services. So to be perceived to the price and other added to the cost of the commodity. So what is the meant by the cost? So cost refer to the expenditure incurred to produce an output or services is called by the cost. Is called by the cost. The traveling times, so energy cost, and so these are the examples of the added the cost. So coming to pricing, so pricing in the sense, so the pricing method or pricing strategy is the routine taken by the any organization in fixing the price, in fixing the price of the commodity or price of the services. The method strategy must be appropriate for achieving the desired pricing objectives. సో ఆల్రెడీ మీకు ఈ ప్రైసింగ్ మెథడ్స్ అన్ని మీకు ఎకనామిక్స్ లో వచ్చి ఉంటాయండి. ద ప్రైసింగ్ మెథడ్ strategy must be appropriate for achieving the desired pricing objectives. Desired pricing objectives. So the pricing method, cost based pricing method. So cost based pricing method in the service sector. So types of the based pricing method. So markup pricing, cost plus pricing method. So మనకి 10 రూపీస్ కాస్ట్ అయింది. కాస్ట్ అంటే మనం ఏమనుకుంటున్నాం, కాస్ట్ రెఫర్ టు ది ఎక్స్పెండిచర్ ఇన్కర్డ్ టు ప్రొడ్యూస్ అండ్ అవుట్పుట్ ఆర్ ప్రొవైడెడ్ సర్వీసెస్. ఒక సర్వీస్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేయడానికైనా కాస్ట్, ఒక ప్రోడక్ట్ ని ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేయడానికైనా టోటల్ ఎక్స్పెండిచర్. సో కాస్ట్. సో కాస్ట్ ప్లస్ ప్రైసింగ్. 10 రూపీస్ కాస్ట్ అయింది, ఒక 50 పైసా 1 రూపీ యాడ్ చేసుకుని 11 రూపీస్ కి ప్రైస్ డిసైడ్ చేసాం. సో ప్లస్ ప్రైసింగ్ మెథడ్. సో అబ్జర్ప్షన్ కాస్ట్ ప్రైసింగ్, ద ఫుల్ కాస్ట్ ప్రైసింగ్ మెథడ్. సో 10 రూపీస్ అయింది, 10 రూపీస్ యాడ్ చేసుకుంటాం, ఫుల్ కాస్ట్ ప్రైసింగ్ మెథడ్. సో టార్గెట్ రేట్ ఆఫ్ రిటర్న్ ప్రైసింగ్ మెథడ్. So marginal cost pricing method, marginal cost pricing method. So these are the cost based pricing methods. So these are all the cost based pricing method. The pricing of services is the different from the pricing of goods. So pricing of service is the different. So pricing of the service is the different from so pricing of goods. మనం సర్వీస్ మార్కెటింగ్ గురించి మాట్లాడుకుంటున్నాం. So pricing of service is the different from the pricing of goods. In many ways, the price has a single name in the manufacturing sector. So whereas I take the different names in the service sector, the price charged for advertising is known as a commission, for boarding service, tariff and legal services and healthcare as a fees, stock services, brokerage services and commission. So pricing of goods is determined by the market demand. So pricing of the goods is determined based on the market demand. In the most causes, the regulated by the government of India. Regulated by the government. So markup pricing in the sense the selling price is fixed. The selling price is fixed by adding markup or margin to its cost. Margin to the cost. So usually used by the distributors, marketing firms, marketing organizations, etc. Slower the turnaround the product, larger the margin and vice versa. So example, Supplygo, company, organization, and distributors, so etc. So absorption cost pricing in a sense. So mainly used for manufacturing organization, it uses the standard costing techniques. So it includes fixed cost, variable cost, selling and administration cost, advertisement cost, plus profit. So fixed cost in the sense కాన్స్టెంట్ గా ఉంటుంది. సో ఇక్కడ టోటల్ వాల్యూమ్ టోటల్ ప్రొడక్షన్ తోటి సంబంధం ఉండదు. సో లైక్ ఫ్యాక్టరీ రెంట్, ఫ్యాక్టరీ వాచ్మెన్ శాలరీ, some fixed expenditures. So variable cost in the sense vary with the volume of the production. Total quantity increase అయితే cost also increases. So total quantity decrease అయితే so variable cost also decreases. Selling and administration expenditures and cost and advertisement expenditure plus product price. So it is also known as the full cost pricing method. Full cost pricing method. Full cost pricing method. So in this area, the price is controlled by the different bodies of the various services. So prices for the government provided service like so railways are completely controlled by the government. So e point of view, kon areas kon sector of the totally controlled by the government. In this area, the next one, the target rate of return pricing method. Target rate and return pricing method. Similar to absorption cost pricing, the difference is the fixing the profit margin. The profit margin, the markup is fixed by the considering the return on investment. A return on investment. The firm will have written objectives, written objectives like a 5% of invested capital or 10% of sales revenue. Then you arrange your price structure so as to achieve this the target rate of return. Target rate of return. So market leaders, the market leaders are monopolist, uses this the price, use this pricing strategy, use this kind of pricing strategy. Okay, so the so this kind of pricing strategy. So coming next one, the marginal costing pricing method. Marginal costing pricing method. So the marginal costing pricing method, it take cost and demand into the consideration while fixing the price of the commodity or services. It takes cost and demand into the consideration while fixing the price of the commodity. So అక్కడ డిమాండ్ ఎలా ఉంది, డిమాండ్ బై చేసుకుని మనం ప్రైస్ ఫిక్స్ చేస్తున్నాం. The consideration while fixing the price of the product and services. So it aims at maximizing the contribution toward the fixed cost. So it gives the flexibility to recover the fixed cost depending on the market conditions, market situations, market environment, etc. So it also gives the flexibility in recovering the large portion of the cost from the certain segment and small portion from the other segments. So next one, the based on demand based pricing methods, demand based pricing method. The pricing decision, the pricing decision is also depending on the demand and supply of the commodity. The more realistic. So the types of cost based pricing or the what the traffic can be based the pricing. Skimming pricing, the penetration pricing. Skimming pricing or penetration pricing. The services is perceived by the customer in the different ways. Service that is the high price is considered to be the premium quality. The prices is personalized service like a hairstyling or the not the standardized as the vary according to the style opted by the customers. So what different cutting చేయమంటాడు ఆయిల్ something. So different service like a hairstyling or not standardized price fixing as they vary according to style opted by the consumers. So demand based pricing method, the competition oriented pricing method, so the product line pricing method, so tender pricing method, so affordability based pricing method, so differentiated pricing method. So these are all the pricing methods. So skimming pricing method and penetration pricing method. So the pricing decision is also depending on the demand and supply of the commodity. So depending on demand and supply of the commodity and services. So based on skimming pricing, based on penetration pricing method. So next one, the competition oriented pricing, competition oriented based on competition. So it needs not mean that the pricing the commodity, so matching it's a competitors. So it can also be the following the premium pricing method, discounted pricing method, premium, so pricing method, discounted, so pricing method, so part in the parity pricing, the going rate pricing method. So going rate pricing method. So going rate pricing method, the cost, the competition oriented, the cost based or competition based oriented pricing method. So essentially, this is a simple model to follow up the pricing decision. So in any area, so it can be adapted by the entrepreneur, the small scale service provider like a restaurant, the owners, the tourism oriented professionals like a travel agents, so etc. So the parity pricing, the going rate pricing method. So based on competition, based on goodwill, so increasing the number of the competitors. So the next fourth one, the product line pricing method, product line, so pricing method. The product line pricing method, the product line pricing method, the in this area the parity pricing or going rate pricing method. So going rate pricing method in the sense, so this method is used to those services where the cost level are the difficult to establish and the going rate is the preferred. So in this service, the basically in the same fare at the same prices. So the same is the true for the apparels of the stores, electronics or books in the street. Uh, Books in the street. Changing ongoing rate is an easy way to avoid the calculation of the cost. Calculation of the cost. The product line pricing method, the product line pricing method, the product or services, different prices are charged by the different versions. The product in the given product line are related to the each other. So the airlines capitalized on the difference between the price and incentives to business traveler. So who requires the flexibility and the mass of holidays makes the whose demand for the services is established well in advance. So the manufacturing cost of these product and services also will not be much different. The need not price the product optimally, but it may price the product line is the optimally. So it is the mainly intended to get the optimum profit for the from the line, the product line. So product line, the best example, the Pulsar 150cc, 180cc, 200cc, 220cc. So different product lines. It is mainly intended to get the optimum profit from the product line. So next one, the tender pricing method. Tender pricing method or sealed bid pricing method. So industrial product. The customer go for the competitive bidding through the sealed tenders. Competitive bidding in the sealed tenders. The seller can only get the best possible price. He should thoroughly analyze the competitors. So in this system, the tenders and quotations where the bids are received from the service provider. So thus housekeeping, the restaurant and canteen contracts, security services are the usually awarded on the basis of predetermined specifications, fulfillment and their offer price. Sealed bid pricing method. So ఒక కవర్లు పెట్టేసి టెండర్ వేసేస్తాం కదండి, సీల్డ్ బిడ్ ప్రైసింగ్ మెథడ్. సో కవర్ లో మన కొటేషన్ పెట్టేసి డ్రాప్ బాక్స్ లో వేస్తాం. ద కస్టమర్ గో బై ద కాంపిటేటివ్ బిడ్డింగ్ త్రో sealed bid pricing method. The predetermined specification fulfill in their offer price, the appropriate price, and therefore the provider are chosen. So this is the tender pricing method. Sixth one, affordability based pricing method. In this kind of pricing work only the premium or very differentiated and distinct services. If the target market is the class like a foreign banks, high end boutique like the aircraft flights, upmarket restaurants, etc. So essential commodities, social welfare pricing, the idea of this pricing is make up the product available to the target population at the affordable rate. So items usually distributed through the public distribution system. Subsidies may be involved. Example, the Chambo, Agas, the medicine, Agas educational institutions, some medicines, etc. So these are this is the one kind of the pricing method. So next one, the seventh one, differentiated pricing method. So differentiated pricing method. So different price for the same product in the different location. SanDisk, so consumer fan drive, the petrol, the price difference may also be made in the case of the customer class. Volume of the purchase of commodity. So upper pack, so 4 soaps వచ్చేసి ఒక price. So Colgate, so value of the packs. So this kind of differentiated pricing method by quantity. The price is the setup according to the quantity use of the value of the purchased. So this price structure allow the service firms so predict the future demand for the services. So these are the different pricing methods, different pricing strategies.